Prepositions are words that show the relationship, often in time or space, of a noun or pronoun to another word. Prepositions show the relationship, often in time or space, of a noun or pronoun to another word. For example, if I had a pencil and I wanted to show the relationship of that pencil in space between the pencil and the desk, I would say pencil on the desk, or pencil on the floor, or pencil in my pencil case. I'm showing the relationship between the noun pencil and another word. Prepositions create phrases that consist of the preposition plus its object. The object of a preposition is always a noun or pronoun. Object of a preposition is always a noun or pronoun. Here are some examples of the ways that prepositions kind of grab their objects. For example, you would have in the red dress. In is the preposition, dress is the object of the preposition. Notice that you have an adjective in your prepositional phrase modifying the dress. It doesn't matter. The phrase consists of the preposition plus its object. Here's a list of commonly used prepositions. I had you write them in your notes as well. This is here for your review. This also includes a lot of the compound prepositions, like in addition to, together with, on account of, which. Here's a list of compound prepositions. You should make sure to write these out somewhere in your notes as well, just to help incorporate them into your memory. They can be a little bit trickier to find because of the fact that they're two words, so you definitely need to be able to identify and recognize them. The key is to figure out the difference between an adverb and a preposition. So a lot of the words that were on the previous list can be adverbs in another life. Let's go through how you might figure that out. A sentence like come in. The verb is come. Here, the word in is telling us where to come. Well, if it's answering where and modifying a verb, it's an adverb. Something like come in the house, in has grabbed house as its object. Just like I showed you earlier on the other slide, how the preposition kind of pulls that object on it. So this in is a preposition because in the house is a prepositional phrase. In the sentence, the runner fell behind. Fell is the verb. Behind, again, is saying where the runner fell. So if it's answering where and modifying a verb, it is an adverb. Once the rock joined behind, this became a phrase. Behind the rock is a prepositional phrase because behind took the object of rock. Conjunctions the conjunction is a word that joins words or word groups. There are two kinds of conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions join words or word groups that are used in the same way. So you can only join two nouns, two verbs, two phrases, two sentences. Coordinating conjunctions have to join things that are used in the same way. The way that we remember the coordinating junction is the acronym FANBOYS. This stands for and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Make sure that you put a note to yourself that you need to memorize the coordinating conjunctions. Memorize those coordinating conjunctions. They are very important. You can easily list them if you remember the acronym FANBOYS. There are also some examples here of the ways that coordinating conjunctions work. Cats and dogs joining two nouns, and is the conjunction. Meg made a pie, but I ate it is an example of a conjunction joining two sentences. You can also join two prepositional phrases, in the air or out at sea. In the air or out at sea. Correlative conjunctions are pairs of conjunctions that join words or word groups. Remember that these have to be with their partner. The partners here are both and. Then you've got not only with, but also. Then either works with or, neither works with nor, and whether works with or. So you might have either or, neither nor, both and, not only, but also. Remember that these are two words that qualify as correlative conjunctions, not only, but also. Here are some examples. Both SpongeBob and Patrick live under the sea. You not only fell asleep, but also snored during the film. Correlative conjunctions work in pairs. Coordinating conjunctions do not. The final part of speech that we'll be looking at is the interjection. It's a word that expresses emotion. It has absolutely no grammatical function in the sentence. These are words like gee, aha, yikes, ouch, oops, yay, whoopee. Onomatopoeia is often an interjection. Some words like buzz are often used as interjections.